In this colorful world, every mark carries stories and dreams. We are the weavers of these stories and the printers of dreams. From precise mechanical design to intelligent operation procedures, every detail embodies our ultimate pursuit of quality. Xianruan's headquarters is located in Dalingshan Town, Dongguan City, Guangdong Province, China, with a 20,000 square meter modern, self-built factory. Its three brands, Xianruan, LABELKING, and Xinqi, are renowned in the industry. With over 20 years of experience, Xianruan has been recognized as a high-tech enterprise and a Guangdong province-level innovative enterprise. The company holds numerous international patents and has established a robust R&D system. Its products are sold in over 30 provinces, municipalities, and autonomous regions in China, and exported to countries and regions including Europe, America, the Middle East, and Southeast Asia. They are widely used in a variety of printing applications, including self-adhesive labels, food packaging, cigarette packaging, wine labels, logistics, supermarkets, pharmaceuticals, electronics, and daily chemicals. The new S5 series of unit-type flexographic printing presses, available in 370/450/550 models, feature independent servo drives and a German VST web correction system to ensure smooth printing. These presses support inline processes such as cold foiling, lamination, degumming, multi-layer labels, folding labels, inline quality inspection, die cutting, screen printing, inkjet coating, and gravure printing, meeting the needs of complex label printing processes. Optional non-stop unwinding and rewinding devices and a fully visual automatic overprinting system enable automatic overprinting and data storage, improving production efficiency. The drying system offers options for hot air drying and LED UV drying, enabling simultaneous printing with both water-based and UV inks. Suitable for a wide range of materials, including transparent film, pearlescent film, heat shrink film, cardboard, and aluminum foil. Whether it is traditional printing technology or digital printing technology, we will present you with extraordinary printing experience with excellent quality and professional services.